Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 5. We're on the downhill slide now. You've now completed, with your completion of Unit 4, you've completed the first half of the course. Now we've got the second half to do, and then we're done. So I hope you're looking forward to this. Module 5, and I've put up, this is from the course content section, put this up here to kind of summarize a little of it. We'll go to my announcement in a minute. We're going to be talking about aspects of energy and how energy, we're beginning to talk about how energy is changed or does change form. One of the key aspects about energy is that people will sometimes say it in very, I guess, formal ways. But the one I like to use is, as far as energy conversion, you cannot get more energy out of something than was there to begin with. That's all there is to it, really, particularly in this mechanics class. So we'll be talking a little bit about how to describe work, kinetic energy, and potential energy. Work is done when you convert energy, when you use energy to move something. That's what work is. Kinetic energy is expended or used when an object is moving. We're centering on mechanics here because that's obviously our course title. We're going to begin to apply equations and problem solving about work and kinetic energy and potential energy. Now, potential energy is when we convert at least partially gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy as we might drop something. So what you'll be doing, you'll be looking at Module 5, and you'll be improving your understanding of force and motion. Now, we've already started that when we were doing Unit 1, 2, and 3 for that matter, but this will hopefully give you a little bit different angle of knowledge on that. So you want to review the resources available to you. Always do that because it's very important. And then complete the work for the Module 4 homework in WebAssign. And then work on the Project 2 lab, which is on, not lab, the Project 2, not a lab, this is an actual project. Okay. Let's talk about this. Okay, now this is just my little summary here on the announcement. This Project 2 on Newton's laws, Newton's laws here has to do with when an object falls and the velocity with which it hits the ground, and also how much energy is converted when that happens. There's a couple of aspects that you'll be doing. In your write-up of your project, you're going to be trying to analyze equations of motion for Newton's laws. You'll also be trying to determine which is the best protection device for a cell phone when it does fall. And we can all use that, so you might find that interesting and applicable to your work. And then, like we said earlier, your problems this week will be on energy, a little bit beginning of energy conversion. So I hope you have fun doing all that and also doing the project. So that's it. If I can be of any help to you this week, you can always try and reach out to me. I'll always try and help you as best I can. And that's it. So you guys have a good week. If you need anything else, just give me a text or an email.